guys, we just come and consider this box. I mean, this box like you just go through World War One. What? Okay. Hey.
I'm so sorry. You're also.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm actually all the way over by Home Goods. You'll see that video. I literally just finished up that video, and I'm now heading to my nail tech. So today is gonna be another productive vlog. So I'm on my way to the nail tech, and then I'm going to be finally going by Costco today to see if I could actually get that membership card. And then I have to stop by CVS. What else? I definitely need to go by my DQ and get some more of the pumpkin spice milkshake that they have there. But yeah, just come along with me today. Maybe a short vlog, but it's gonna be a good vlog. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna head on. It's actually 10:57 and my appointment is at 11:15. Let's see if I can make it in time. So let's go. So I'm reach me in the TikTok and when they go pass and ask me when I'm coming. So I'm not going right now. This man, can you push out the door for me a little bit so I can come up, please?
Just 1 minute, I will go. 1 second.
Okay. Thank
I'm so sorry. You're also. So sorry. Nothing here. Sorry. So sorry.
When I'm making door, let me care. Alright guys, so I'm back in. Why does sun always a mess with my video? Just finished with Linda. Took forever. Guys, when I was coming out, you see me say the man that blocked me? The man make him door. I guess he was a deliver man. He deliver the UPS, I think. Met the van door, lick my door. I thought, sorry man. Luckily, I thought I could have just rub out. It was not deep. Like what? Anyways, I'm just so hungry now. I'm feeling so miserable. So I am gonna go by DQ as usual. I promise I won't be eating in your face this time. And then I'm gonna go to Costco, go CVS, and then go home. So let's go. So guys, we're here. It wasn't far at all. But I'm here still eating my fries and my milkshake. So I'm gonna finish eat this little bit and then we'll go back in and we go in there. So I'm just here not to shop. I'm actually here just to collect the ID and membership card. And then we're going to go to CVS I'm going home. Yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm in here. I need to find a customer care area. So let's see if I can find them. So check out. Alright guys. So I'm thinking it must be somewhere at the front.
There you go. Here.
I see prescription. I see eye exam, optical, hearing. I see everywhere except some customer care. Tire center, dealership. Alright, we're going back down that side and find out. So I'm gonna know. Going back down the other side, some of them must know. I see something like merchandise return something. I see somebody. Let me find out if they know. So, hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Can you tell me where I can find the customer? Like, if I want to pick up like a membership card on the other side. Perfect. Thank you. So I was right. It's on the other side. So let me go. Alright, so I see where it says membership. So I'm gonna join this line. The first time actually coming to this branch. I've been to the one in, I think, West Hartford. So we're waiting. Alright guys, so I am back in. Wasn't so bad. I got my membership card. Is kind of dark, but yeah. So I'm not really a fan of Costco, to be honest, because they only sell their brands and I like variety. However, what he did tell me, oh, by the way, you got a membership bag. So it includes different services. Them have their own tire place and everything. Why my finger looking like a hot mess? Linda not clean up my finger, you know. She's not cleaning them up. They have the acrylic all over. That's why I'm not typically put them until let me start get good service. Anyways, it has all the different services that are offered here. Home improvements, all that good stuff. So you have that book. Then you have online savings, all the different stuff. One thing he did make mention of is the fact that if I see something, say for example, I purchase something here and then I go home and they have a sale on it, for example. So I've purchased it before they actually had the sale, and then they have a sale within 30 days. I'm actually able to come back with the item or with the price. No, don't bring back the item, just bring back what it is, and they give me the money. So if I purchased it for $15 and it now went down to $10, I get that $5 back just like that. That me like that. So I'm like, what? So what now? These are savings now and later in the future that I can actually use with your holiday savings. So I shall be going through these and see what I can actually get. Them have Samsung 11.4 cubic feet fridge for $180. Okay. Yeah. So They have a lot of different stuff in here, so I shall go home and take a look at them. Lots of booklets, and I can actually download their app, they said, so I can actually keep the card on the app itself instead of walking up and down with the card if I don't have it. So when I go home, I take a look at these. Yeah, a lot of booklets and stuff, but it was no hassle. The only hassle was to find the freaking place, to find where I need to go. But now I found it. One thing I was not a fan of was that, you see how you can go to BJ's, or yeah, you can go to BJ's, and whether you're a member or not, you can actually purchase there. For Costco, I'm getting to understand that you have to be a member to shop there. Like, they won't, and you can't use somebody else's card. You have to make sure you're on the card. That's why there's no doing like the ID thing. So you have to have your own card to purchase here. So I cannot send my husband with my card. Like, I have to be there to make the purchase. I was not a fan of that. But my daughter-in-law, every time I say daughter-in-law, I sound all. My daughter-in-law set me up, hooked me up, because she works here. And so she said, come get your card. So I got my card. So thank you. All right, guys. I need to get, I only have the small one. I need a pack of that, but I only have the small one. I don't want the small one. The pharmacy space. Alright, so they seem to be closed. Oh, here we are. They're reopening, so let's go over there. Some people waiting before me, so let me join the line. I guess. Let's join the line. Alright, guys, so I'm in a CVS for all along. They were closed, as you could see, for the pharmacy. And then they open them up, come back from lunch, and I'm like, okay, let me just wait. Then I get to find out that they don't have the because I was there to pick up a prescription for Tristan, because apparently he has his nostril is inflamed, so they got some antibiotic for him last week when I went to his doctor's his annual checkup. Now they're saying that they didn't have it. Now they just checked and realized that they have it now, because it came in 2 days ago. And then it's gonna take another 20 minutes for them to actually fill the prescription. I'm like, yeah, let me come back some more. Yeah. So it's just funny that this is the first time I'm actually coming here to do to fill a prescription, right? And I recently told the doctors to upgrade or to change my pharmacy, because I used to go to the other one before, but this one is closer to my home. So I'm like, let's put it over here. Like, I'm regretting that decision. So I might just change it back. Yeah. Anyways, we're done here. We're going home. So let's see what happens when we go home. There's no plan. To be honest, we're done for the day. I'm going home. I think we should get some Amazon packages. Let's go see. Let's go see what we have. Guys, we just come and see this box. I mean, this box like you just go through World War One. What is Amazon? What you do? What is? No mama class. What is? What? This coming like say it went through a lot to get here. What the fudge? Alright guys, so I am home, and this is where the vlog ends. But before I actually close out the vlog, I want to find out, well, not find out, I just want to say, I think I want to do, sorry for the lighting guys, I think I want to do Vlogmas this year. I've never tried anything like that. No Vlogtober, no like just daily vlog. But I feel like I want to try Vlogmas. I know it's going to be a lot of work because obviously my schedule with the kids and work and everything is a hot mess, right? But I honestly feel like I want to try Vlogmas this year. Let me see what I can do, how consistent I can be. And yeah, let's just see how it plays out. So look out for Vlogmas from KeneishaSays this year. I'm excited about that. I'm excited. I really want to see how far I can push myself to be consistent, where I push out a vlog every day for the 25 days of December, right? Up to Christmas. From the 1st of December up to the 25th of December, every day, daily vlog. Let's see how I can do that. Yes, guys, I know I'm looking crazy. I'm actually here editing this exact video that I'm about to drop this clip in. And I just made mention of Vlogmas, and I actually did an intro. So I wanted to just do a sneak peek of this intro with you to let you know that I'm really serious about this, and I want to get your opinion as to what you think about this intro. So please go ahead and drop your comment below and tell me what you think about this intro, okay? And please look forward for Vlogmas, just like I'm looking forward to Vlogmas. I have some ideas as to what I want to do, but I'm just playing by ear. I'm planning as much as I can, but for the most part, it will be spontaneous. You know what I mean? It would just be my daily life for Christmas, and I want to incorporate some of Jamaica as well. But you can see that in my intro. So let me know what you think.
No. For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Okay, what do you think about that? Be honest. Drop your comments in the comment section. Did you like that? What did you think of when you actually saw that? Like, leave your comment below. So get ready for Vlogmas. The next video you'll be seeing is actually Vlogmas. But for today's productive vlog, that's where it ends today. So I want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already liked this video, please go ahead and like. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so as well. Share this video and drop a comment. And until later, guys, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.